Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use RCS chat on Android phone. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your messaging app and from here click on your profile icon, and from here click on messaging setting, and from here click on journal, and from here you can see option RCS chat. Click on this, and from here what you need to do it, turn on this toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on this toggle and click on verify your number. Click on this, and from here what you need to do it, enter your phone number and click on add number. Wait some second, and after that you are unable to use RCS chat. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.